Hi guys, today I want to show you my project. I just purchased this Scaletrains SD40T-2. It's my first one. This one here. I have Aturn. This one is ready to run. I have installed sound and LED and also fiber optics on it, and these three here are blue box actually. So I've done a lot of work on them, and you can see all the details. I've installed also interior on all of them with figures, and all of them have Soundtraxx soundboards. All of them have LED lights, and also I've installed fiber optics on them for marker lights. They're all the actually I have videos of this locomotives, and this one, the Rio Grande, I have painted it myself, and all of them also have these see-through grills in the back. Yeah, this one I painted it all myself, did the front nose decals and everything. It was a pretty nice project. Came up pretty nice. And one thing I'm gonna do about this Scaletrains locomotive, I'm gonna replace the fans. This is molded, so I'm gonna cut those out and install these Canon fans. I like these ones. They look more realistic than these ones. I don't know, I don't like the look on these ones, so I'm gonna cut them out. I took the grills off. The grills are actually plastic on the Scaletrains, but these ones, the Canon ones, they're metal. Alright, so the reason I bought the non-sound Scaletrains, because I have two Soundtraxx soundboards, and I wanted to use them, and I like to customize my locomotives, as you can see on the other ones. So I've taken it apart already, and another thing I always wanted to see on these T2s, how Scaletrains made them. This back side, this lower gear, this really low, and when this piece comes here, so you can see the gears, but on this ones everybody knows, so you can see the gears. I always was curious to see how they made it, and now I can see. So what they have done, they have dropped the motor into the gas tank really low, and the drive shaft gets really low, and the gearbox is pretty low, so that's why. Pretty clever. So yeah, this is the DC board. I'm amazed it has more components on it than this Soundtraxx soundboard. It's crazy. It has even keep alive capacitors. So yeah, I'm not gonna use that, so just put it aside. And as far as the speaker goes, the original one, the Scaletrains, has room here for 2 cube speakers. I took those the enclosure out, and I'm gonna install this one. I like this one. It has pretty nice deep sound, so this fits in here really nicely. So all of these T2s, the speakers are sitting right above the rear gearbox, facing down on all of them. So it's going to be the same thing here. So you can see it fits really nicely in there. Alright. Now the reason I like this box is because the speaker is bigger, and also it has that bass reflex port in it, so it sounds much better. So what I have to do is, I have marked it already, I have to cut here and take all this here out. All the LED housing, the wiring, these all, they have to come out. Oh, this one is no. This one stays, but only these ones. I have to take it out, and most likely I'm gonna attach it to the LED housings right there inside the shell. So alright, so that's it for now. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna make videos as I progress. So next I'm gonna cut this and figure out the wiring for the LEDs, what is what. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use I have this Z-scale decoders. Actually, I'm gonna use a TF4 Digitrax TF4 for extra lighting outputs, because this is a economy soundboard, so it has only 4 outputs, light outputs. So I'm gonna, with using the TF4, I'm gonna add more lighting options, because there is, I think, 19 LEDs. I counted yesterday. There's 19 LEDs on this locomotive, so I want to make them all work. There's green, red, and white LEDs. Alright guys, that's it for now, and please don't forget to subscribe and follow. I'm gonna make videos as I progress and explain what I've done, and you guys can see until the final project. Alright, thanks for watching.